Okay, here's the harmonic series, and it's the reciprocal of the positive integers when you're adding those. So it looks like this. So 1, 1 plus 1 half plus 1/3, and so on. Now, there are infinite many geometric, arithmetic, telescoping series, but there's a unique harmonic series. This is it. This is the only one. It could vary a little bit with k minus 1 at the bottom, but you know, that's the harmonic though. That's the harmonic. But there's in this harmonic, what we want to know, whether it converges or diverges. That's basically what we're trying to find out. Well, I'm going to do a little proof to show you what happened. So first off, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be adding the first two, and then I'm going to be, and when you add 1 plus 1 half, this is what you have. But now I'm going to add 1/3 and 1/4. 1/3 and 1/4. So when you are adding those two, it's going to be bigger than 1/4 plus 1/4. So in other words, these two numbers adding together is bigger than adding 1/4 plus 1/4, which is 1/2. I mean, so adding those two is going to be a big number bigger than 1/2. So now I'm going to add 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, and 1/8. Which is the same as adding, it's going to be, bigger than 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 4 times, which is 1/2 again. So these four numbers, as you can see, as I extend the numbers of terms, is going to be bigger than 1/2. I'm going to go all the way from 1/9 to 1/16. Here, 1/16. So I make every single one, when I add those numbers, I get 1/2 again. So these numbers, terms, adding together is going to be bigger than 1/2. And you can go then to 1/17 to 1/32. Add those together. These are going to be bigger than adding those up to, adding all those terms is going to be equals to 1/2. So therefore, where all these numbers, I'm going to be adding this, adding together. Well, let's add 1/2. I mean, still this is going to be bigger than 1/2. But if you keep adding 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, we're right to the conclusion that it's getting larger and larger and larger by adding 1/2. Therefore, it never ends. So it doesn't add to anything, so this series diverges. So the harmonic series diverges. Okay? So here we go. Let me stop here.